Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to MotoSoul. In this video, I'm going to talk about the tools that I carry in my Rhinox tank bag. Many of you have asked me on Instagram about what do I carry in this tank bag, and this is my Java 250. This is the tank bag here, and I've bought this tank bag in October 2015. It's about 5 years now, and I have zero issues with it. In fact, this is actually the most paisa vasool product that I've got till date for riding. As you can see, the bag has wear and tear here and there, but it has held up pretty well on all these years, 5 years of riding, and I've used it for almost every ride, even for short rides. So the next video is going to be about the 5 years ownership review of the tank bag, and as of this video I'll be showing you what I carry inside the tank bag itself. So on the left side, this is empty as of now, just have tissues. What I usually carry is my mobile, my power bank, and GoPro stuff. So this is on the left side. In here I usually carry my wallet and some cash, and on here I have the plier, I have some Toti oils, sachets. Now these are important if any one of your riding companions have seizures, or if they have low oil, and if the piston seizes, you can use this Toti oil to rescue some motorcycles. So usually when I ride with my friends, they don't really bring any tools or anything with them, so I'm the one who usually carries all the tools. So here are the spanners. These are not so good quality. I've got the Taparia and the Stanley ones at home. I carry these on rides, so I can help myself and help others. So I have a small screwdriver, an adjustable spanner, and some spanners. This is 2022, and I've got 1918, 3032, 2427. So I usually, if I'm going on a long ride, I usually plan all the tools that I need. If I don't need any tools, I won't carry the extra load. So that's on this side. Now on the inside, I have the documents in here. I carry the registration certificate, the RC, the pollution, and also the insurance. And these are the gloves. This is the rain cover that comes with the tank bag. This is the newer version. I actually bought this about 2 years back from Rhinox. And this is the GoPro bag. I have all the camera stuff in here. So these are all the mounts, anti-filters, batteries, etc. So this is the GoPro stuff. Now subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for the full ownership review. That would be the next video. Now this is the main tool bag that I have all the tools in here. I have some bungee cords to tie something on the back of the bike or on the back of some other friend's bike. So this is very important. Bungees have actually saved a lot of times. Now this is the clutch cable, the inner clutch cable for Chetak. You can use this in Java SD. These are some zip ties. You can fix anything, literally anything, with the zip ties. And this is something, it has more tools. Now this is a Stanley screwdriver. It has all the bits in here. This is the Impulse clutch cable. This is the RX clutch cable, and that's all these clutch cables that I have. I also have this Spark spanners inside the bike itself. So I have the RX has its own Spark plug inside the toolbox, and the Java has its own spark plug and some screwdrivers inside the toolbox. So these are the bungee cords, these are the zip ties, and these are the clutch cables. You can usually I would suggest you to carry your own clutch cable. Now this is the rain cover itself, and I have some extra cable, levers, chain links, tape, and electrical tape, and a spark plug, and a sandpaper, a petrol pipe. So I normally have all these spares inside the toolbox itself, but sometimes I carry it extra. I would like to carry. And this is the other toolbox, the other tool bag I have. Now let's start with the first. I have a ratchet here inside, so I use this with the bits. This is the ratchet itself. This would fit in right here, and I have about from 8 to 17 mm. I have all the ratchets in here. So this is the ratchet, this is the extra screwdriver with the bits, and all the small spanners, 6 to 15 or 16 I guess. So lots of them, and these are the bits. Now in here I have Fevikwik, M-Seal, a matchbox. I also have an injection. This is for the tutti oil. Now you can just take the tutti oil packet and take the tutti oil in and put it in the piston directly from the spark plug opening. So that's for rescuing any two-stroke motorcycle if you have any seizures. And we have already covered the middle section. I've got all these spanners, the smaller spanners there, and then I have a cutter here and a small flat and plus screwdriver, a tape, and some bits here. And that's about it for the tool bag. I would now normally carry a rain cover as well, the top and the bottom, and these are the glove itself. So that's about it. This is what I carry most of the time. But if you have if you see the motorcycle itself, I also carry a lot of stuff inside the toolboxes. Now I have a Taparia screwdriver here with all the bits. I have a spare bag, all the levers here. On the next side I have the spark plug opener. So everything is there inside the bike itself. So I usually plan everything. If I'm going on a very long ride, I usually carry only the tools that I need for that particular bike. But if I'm riding out with my friends, I tend to carry a lot more stuff than usual. And check out the next video for the full review about the tank bag. And trust me, if you're into riding, you should get one real soon. That's about it for this video. Give this video a like or a dislike if you like it or you hate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.